Alright.
Yeah, it's kind of tight.
Yeah.
Fine, I'd rather have airtime than get stable.
Yes.
Alright, just gotta make sure arms and legs are inside the ride at all times. Head against the headrest, back against the backrest once more. Make sure those arms are inside the ride for me at all times.
Alright. It's a Zamperla coaster. Haven't ridden many thrill coasters from Zamperla, so this ought to be interesting. Look at that turn. Look at all the... Let's see how a windstorm is. Whoa. Yeah, it's rough. I figured it would be. It's Zamperla. Oh. Whoa! Jeez! This is a...
phone is not broken.
I hope my phone isn't permanently broken. Oh! Got some good force though. Even if it is rough as freaking heck. Yeah,
Like being in a barrel going over Niagara Falls.
That was a weird ride. I don't know how else to explain that.
I know how to explain it.